Good evening, everybody. Rinsing out another spiral tie-dye, the multiple greens. I'm really excited about this one, by the way. What about you?
Very.
We had a lot of success and a lot of interest in our multiple blues, so we figured we'd try a multiple green. We've got some high hopes for this one. High hopes indeed. Swap back to the cold water, washing it on out. We got what? Lime Pop, Custom Green, and Granny Apple on this one. Yep. Tricolor. To the inside?
To the inside.
Ooh. Inside now, swapped over to the hot water, getting it unwrapped. What you think so far?
So far, so good.
Preliminary on this one. So far, so good. I've got really high hopes for this one. Not often I think I'm gonna like what we make for when I see it. This I know for sure. I really like the blue one like this everybody did. So I said we should do them in all different colors. This is just the very next one in line. Get a little more of this dye out and let's see what we got. Hopefully it'll look like a watermelon rind. That's what I'm hoping. I bet a pleated would look really cool with those three colors. Let us know in the comments below what you think. Ooh, nice. Look at that. Yeah, look at that. Let's see the back. Yeah, oh yeah. That is nice. Look at all the different colors.
I was about to say, you can see this one better.
Yeah, good transition of color. That is nice. Nice, nice, nice. Almost. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow, that came out really good. Nice, cool tri-green spiral. Like how it goes all the way over to the sleeves. We got three beautiful greens. Our custom green, lime pop, and granny apple green. Looks really good. This is to complement our blue spiral that we did like this that everyone liked. We plan to do a yellow one, a red one, all the wonderful colors. But yeah, let us know what you think about this one in the comments below, and let us know what color you would like to see us do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.